Today, my wife's mouse will stop working, so I offered to fix it. I'm not sure what model of mouse she has, but I was able to fix it using the following steps. Tools needed: a T6 screwdriver, a tweezer, optional, an air can. Steps: remove the tabs that cover the screws on the bottom of the mouse. Use the T6 screwdriver to remove the 6 screws. Carefully and slowly separate the top and bottom parts of the mouse. They may be connected by a wire. Inspect the wheel and the rotary encoder to see if they are moving smoothly together. If not, there may be dust or debris preventing them from moving freely. In my wife's case, the dust was the culprit. I used the tweezer to remove as much dust as possible, and then I blew some air into the area with my mouth to try to dislodge any remaining dust. Note: do not lubricate the wheel or the rotary encoder, as this can interfere with their ability to move smoothly together. Once you have cleaned the wheel and the rotary encoder, reassemble the mouse and test the wheel to make sure it is working properly. I hope this video is helpful.